Namaste children. Today we are going to learn about the nouns. Under the nouns we are going to learn the possessive case. See the spelling possessive, possessive. No need to pronounce possessive. Even though there are two s, we have to pronounce like single s only. Look at the colors and then read the following sentences. See the pictures. Okay. Now, the book of the baby boy was on the table. The dog of Mary is called Moti. The horse of the king was white. The legs of the baby were thin. See here. Book of the boy means what? The book is the boy's. The dog of Mary means what? Mary's dog. The horse of the means what? The king's horse. The legs of the baby means the baby's legs. Okay. These sentences look awkward. We say instead the boy's book was on the table. Mary's dog was called. The king's horse was white. The baby's legs were thin. This form is called possessive case because it is used to show possession. Possession. Already you have seen in the video. Possession means belonging. The boy's book means the book belonged to the boy. Mary's dog. That means belonging to Mary. Possession is nothing but belonging. Remember that. Possession is nothing but belonging. The king's horse means horse belong to the king. The baby's feet means the feet of the baby. So how to form the possessive case then? This come to know this is the possessiveness. Then how to form them? Here the possessive case of single noun is formed by s, apostrophe s to the noun that stands for possessor. Here this color, no, that line, big one, that small comma type, but on the word, not below the word. Monkey's face was black. See, face of the monkey, black. Peter's bicycle was new. So, bicycle of the Peter was new. Okay. My uncle's dog has a short tail. It has a short tail. So, uncle's dog, it's a dog of the uncle. Thief's hands were tied with a rope. Hands of the thieves were tied with a rope. Possessive case of plural noun is formed of following two ways. So what we learn now, if uncle is a noun, one noun after we have to like comma, that is called apostrophe, and then yes, that shows that is of some person. Uncles of uncle, of thief. Okay, the plural ends s. This is singular noun. Uncle thief, noun is singular. Singular noun after we have to keep after the noun and apostrophe. Then after we have to keep s. That shows it's an belonging to that person or that belonging to that or that like that belonging. It shows belongingness. But here, if plural ends, if the noun is in plural, what we have to do? We add the yes and apostrophe as. See here, purses of the ladies. Here, ladies is plural. Okay, the ladies is apostrophe. After ladies, you have to keep apostrophe as. If lady is there, no, lady, apostrophe yes, ladies. Now here dies is there, lady plural noun. So we have to keep apostrophe after S. The tail of the horse's tails. See that, horse. It is horse after keep apostrophe and S. These are the horses. So we have to keep after yes. The nest of the birds, nest, birds, nest. Okay. If the plural does not end S, we add apostrophe. As normal singular noun, how to use? Noun also you have to use the same way. If the noun ends without S and that noun in plural form, men's wear, like that they will say, men's cycles, men's dresses, like that they will say. Men's means here apostrophe S should be. Lives are hard. Men's are hard. Men's lives are men's lives are hard. Men's, not women. Men's lives are hard. Women's, what I say that women's work is done in the kitchen. Women's work is done in the kitchen. Children's books must be attractive. Children's must be books. Children's books must be attractive. See here, they say that here men. The word is also, the noun is in form, even though it is doesn't end with yes. So we have to keep apostrophe yes. If the noun ends with plural, we have to keep yes after apostrophe. Remember, this is the simple thing to remember this one. Okay, write down the possessive form of the following. I will tell 5, remaining 5 you should write. The name of the boy, the boy's name. The paws of the dog. Paws means the soft part of the dog's leg, down, like we have that feet, no? Same paws of the dog. The dog's paws. The song of the bird, the bird's song. Voice of the child's voice. The mother of the baby, the baby's mother. See, I have said answers remaining. Simple. You can here see that last noun. Here the boy. Keep apostrophe s and write this noun came here. Again 2 nouns here. Dog's pass. Okay. Go next page. Here write down the possessive form of the following. The feet of geese. Here geese, children, women, ladies, babies, birds, foxes, buffaloes, men, children. You have to observe these are the plural nouns. The previous slide is said about the singular noun. Here geese. Is this ended with s? No. So apostrophe. Children is ended with s? No. Apostrophe s. But ladies is ended with s. So you have to keep yes after apostrophe. Baby, it is plural noun and with yes. So you have to keep yes after apostrophe. Birds. This is also with yes and yes after you keep apostrophe. Foxes, buffaloes, men. So men's after n after apostrophe. Children after apostrophe yes, not s after apostrophe. So you have to be careful about. Right now exercise. Now we'll write here. Second one, the voices of children. The children's voices. The songs of the women. The women's songs. The purses of the ladies. The ladies' purse. The cries of the babies. The babies' cries. You have to write meaning. Okay, I will post that answers also, but you have to do your own. Then after I will post answers, you compare the answers. Don't copy answers from my PDF. If you copy, you never learn. You do your own, whether it is right or wrong. First you try. I hope you will. Very simple. You already learned in third class. Lady's house. The child's shoes. Now here something is different. Write the following in the plural possessive form. What is the heading? Plural possessive. Here given singular possessive noun. Child, plural, children. You should know the plurality of the noun also. Lady, pronunciation of the two words the same, but spelling will be different. This is homophone. Ladies after apostrophe. The ladies. Now this also you change into plural. The ladies apostrophe houses. The ladies house. Now women's smile. The women plural what? WOMEN women. Apostrophe S. Smile is there, no? Smiles you should write. SMI. You can't say that one woman, one smile will be. Many women are there, then we say that smiles. The man's shout. The men's shouts. Okay, like that. According to this noun, you have to change into. You are changing this into plural now. Automatically, there is no indication. There is no instruction here that do the needful changes. Even though we have to, it is understandable. Okay, based on this noun, we have to change this noun also. As one is plural, other noun should be plural in these phrases. Okay. Now, the man's shouts, the men's shouts, the soldier's home, the soldier's homes. Here, if the noun ended with yes in the plural form, then yes after you keep apostrophe. If the noun ended with without yes in the plural form, then you write apostrophe yes. Apostrophe yes and yes after apostrophe. Only you take care of these two. Okay. Now, this is the possessive noun. Here one more exercise is there, exercise 4. Now, write out the following in the short form. Here they had given in the first, they had given example. The doll belonging to Mary. The Mary's doll. No need to write any sentence here, just Mary's doll. The house belonging to Mr. Hill. Here write Mr. Hill's house. Tools used by the gardener. Yes, very good. Gardener's tools. The uniforms worn by the sailors. Uniforms belonging to sailors. Sailors' uniforms. The toys belonging to the children. Children's toys. Simple. Okay, you write that. Only writing part should be done by you. I only think two things you have to remember. For singular, always keep apostrophe yes, but plural, if the word ended with yes, then you keep apostrophe after yes. If the noun, plural form, plural noun doesn't end with yes, then you write apostrophe yes. Simple. Okay. Do this exercise. I will send the letter. Thank you, children. Bye.